Welcome to the third question that is related to connecting the data. As you know, I am preparing for the exam that I'm going to give on the 20th of December. And as I'm finding the question interesting, I'm sharing it with you. Along with that, I have also created a paid practice paper, which you can take it, which will give you almost like a real-time sort of a questions which are difficult in nature and from various different topics of PL300. Okay, let's go to see. Let's see how you can what this question is. All right, first thing is, what is a question? In direct query mode, which of the following operation is not supported? 1. Creating calculated columns, using row level security, connecting to multiple data sources, or finally applying filters in reports. So do a bit of a research if you are not sure, because doing a research will actually help you understand the topic very much in detail. But also I am going to give you the answer as part of this presentation file, which you can download using the link that is given in the description. And let me show you how you can get that. Link to get the presentation file where question along with answer and explanation is present in description. So with that link, you will land to my Google Groups, where you need to join the group as part of the requirement. After joining the group, a link will come which will take you to this dataset folder. In this dataset folder, I have a dataset sheet where I keep all of these links. And here on the row number 24, you will find the PL300 questions. So you simply need to join the group and you will going to get the questions as per your needs. And then you can access all of these questions with explanation and answers. Also, these are all free questions. If you want to get a real-time, almost real-time, not obviously the real-time, but almost real-time practice test, then you can also buy the 60 question exam using the link that is present in the description.